Thanks for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. And today we're going to look at evaluating expressions with exponents. So let's begin. Skip something. Alright, so basically it's just order of operations. And you may have heard of PEMDAS, where you do parentheses or brackets or any other groupings first. Then you do exponents next, and then you do multiplication or division, and then you do addition or subtraction. And when you do multiplication or division, addition or subtraction, you do it from left to right. Left to right. Alright, so let's take a look at a few examples. Alright, so here it says what is the value of the expression, and we're going to follow PEMDAS. So parentheses, there's no parentheses, so we skip that. Exponents, we do have an exponent, so I have 7 to the second. We're going to do that first. And 7 to the second is 49. And you just write out everything else the same. Alright, next we're going to do multiplication or division from left to right. So I got 2 times 5, which is 10. And then finally addition or subtraction from left to right. 10 plus 49 is, that's not right. It should be 59. Let's see if I can fix that. Alright, a little makeshift fix there, so that should be 59. Alright, let's take a look at this next one. So I've got exponents first, there's no parentheses, so I'm going to do that 6 squared, and 6 times 6 is 36. And then next we're going to do multiplication from left to right. So I've got 3 times 36 and negative 3 times 7. Alright, so now I have the 108 and 21, negative 21. Alright, next we're going to do addition and subtraction from left to right. So you got 3 plus 108. And that's going to give us 111. And then 111 minus 21. And that's going to get you 90. Fix these in real time here. Alright. So those two. Here's 2 more. You could pause the video here and see if you can solve these on your own. Alright, well, the answer to the first one is 27. We square the 3, get 9. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. And the answer to the next one is 132. We square the 4, get 16. 4 times 16 is 64. 10 times 6 is 60. Add the 8 plus 64 is 72. Add the 72 plus 16, get 132. And that's it. That is evaluating the expression with exponents. I want to thank you for checking out Mr. Ware's videos. Have a nice day.